Hello everyone, welcome to Chatgpt tutorial. So today we'll see how to boost our productivity with Chatgpt as a DevOps, QA, operations, or a developer. So our requirement today is to create a Docker file which pulls an Nginx image and then deploys our index.html to Docker container and then hosts it on our local machine. So let's get started. So I'll just give the instructions. Create a Docker file to pull an Nginx image, deploy index.html from my local machine. So I just passed the instructions and we can see it has started processing. So it has it has provided the Docker file. So Docker file is basically the file where we give the instructions. So it has created this. Let me copy this file and we'll uh, paste the contents here. Cool, that's done. Create an image. Create a container from this Docker file and map it to my host machine on a at 8080. Okay, so I have just asked it to create a container from the above Docker file, and then I need to map it to my host machine's 8080 port. So these are the steps. So it says like the first command Docker build. It is quite explaining all the steps whatever we need to execute. So it says like the first command Docker build minus t and my nginx will build the image using Docker file in the current directory with the name my nginx, or it will tag with the my nginx name, and the second command will run it and run the container from the my nginx image and maps the port 80 in the container to my host port of 8080 with this docker run minus d minus p 8080 80 minus. So let's just copy paste and execute this. Cool. So now we'll execute this pending command. Okay, so in my case, I can see 8080 is already allocated. So let's actually pass the same command to ChatGPT and see if it can resolve it and help me with the steps. So it says, see, the error message you are encountering means the 8080 port on your host machine is already in use by another service. To resolve this, you can either stop the service that is using port 8080 or choose a different port to run. So let's say we'll run it on different port. And this time the port is 8888 and we can see it is up and running. So let's just verify. I'll just go to localhost and we can see our index.html is deployed. So that's easy. It is to use ChatGPT, and this is how you can increase your productivity. You don't need to Google search for the steps and troubleshoot again and again. It is directly giving you the steps whatever is required, and within few minutes you are able to achieve your tasks or goal. Thanks for joining for today's tutorial.